What if I told you bread was invented before farming? Around 14,400 years ago, hunter-gatherers in Jordan baked flatbreads using only ashes and stones, 4,000 years before agriculture began. At Shubeika 1, archaeologists found charred crumbs in a 14,400-year-old hearth. This is the earliest concrete evidence of bread making, predating agriculture in the Fertile Crescent. This ancient bread was made from wild grains, barley, einkorn, oats, and tubers like clubrush. They likely ground it into dough, shaped flat loaves, then baked them on hot stones or buried in ashes. These methods are part of hot stone and earth oven traditions, used since 30,000 BC across Eurasia. Stones heated in fire, food buried in pits, bake slowly over hours. Baking bread was labor-intensive, so why? It may have been for portability, feasting, or even rituals. Some think it influenced the shift to farming, as people began harvesting and cultivating wild cereals. Today, earth oven and flatbread methods persist, from Hawaiian imu to Mexican barbacoa and clay tandoors. These ancient techniques still bring communities together around food. From wild grains and hot stones to the first flatbreads, bread is older than farming. Subscribe to discover more hidden origins of human ingenuity.